Hi guys, I'm Chef Rakhi Vaswani and welcome to the virtual baking series of Taste of America. हाँ हम घर बैठे हुए हैं but that doesn't stop us from baking, right? And especially अगर हमारे पास इतनी अच्छी produce हो from USA. You know, as they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I think you've guessed it. I'm going to teach you how to make an apple crumble pie. And I'm going to be using these amazing produce from USA. I'm going to use delicious apples from Washington, some Granny Smith. I love the tartness and the texture that it brings to the table. Some amazing US cranberries. And not to forget a lot of crunch and some omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts, my favorite nut. So let's get started. So recipe is in 3 parts. सबसे पहले I'm going to make my short crust pastry and I'm using a food processor. आप चाहें तो आप इसे हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं and you can just rub the chilled butter among with your fingertips, you know, and it becomes like a nice sand and then you're good to go. So I'm going to take some flour. What I'm doing is मैं थोड़ा extra ले रही हूँ यहाँ पर because I want to remove a little for the crumble also. I do have some crumble made and kept aside, but थोड़ा extra ले रही हूँ. And this is chilled butter. It's a 1:2 ratio. तो अगर आपका butter 100 होता है, आपका flour 200 होता है. In this case, this is 250, so that's going to be half. So that's chilled butter going in, and all I have to do is just put the machine on and इसे blitz करना है हमें. Okay? Okay, let's go. And it's literally the same texture that I'm doing blitz. I don't want a complete round because you know इसे हमें आटा नहीं बनाना है. And that's done. And all the butter has actually mixed into the flour and it looks like breadcrumbs or sand, you know, that's whatever you find convenient. So I'm going to get my mixture out in the bowl. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of it out for my crumble. I'm just showing you how it's done. I do have some made and kept, and that's how simple it is. Now for the crumble, I'm going to add a pinch of my baking powder. I always like to. So I'm using a pinch of the baking powder, and then I'm just going to add some brown sugar to that. And we're going to mix that really well. And I love to add a little color to that and a little bit of sweetness in the form of cranberries. So we're using the US cranberries, which you know are really amazing, a really amazing produce. And there you go. So that's your crumble ready. I'm going to keep that aside. I have made some and kept. Now I'm going to start making the dough. तो अब dough को हम साथ में बनाते हैं. I'm putting that aside. Now time to make our base. अब इस base में मैं add कर रही हूँ icing sugar. So I'm going to add some chilled water at this stage. If you want to add egg, then you can add 1 egg here. And then after that, whatever you require for water. So the short crust pastry is really nice and crumbly. That's the secret behind a good pastry is you don't want to make it, you don't want to work it too much, you don't want to make it very doughy. Yeah, so just want to bring it together. That's the whole thing that we're doing. Just bring this together. As you can see, don't over knead it and only add enough water that you require. Now if you see this, if it's coming together like this, then you know you're good to go. If it's breaking and it's still crumbly, that means you need to add little more water. Okay, now I'm gonna bring it together and then I'm gonna make my dough. You know, I'm gonna cling wrap it. इसको cling wrap करके हम fridge में रख देंगे. That's exactly what you need to do. Chill it आधे घंटे के लिए and then we'll roll it and line. Our filling is next that we're gonna make after this. First thing I'm taking is butter. So once my butter is melted, I'm going to add both my sugars. So I'm adding a mix of caster sugar as well as brown sugar. And I want that to caramelize really well. I'm going to add in my apples here. And they are going to release a lot of water. So So we're going to cook this a little bit till they are slightly cooked, but yes, the crunch still is maintained. Now's the time I'm going to add some cinnamon to that, and I want to generously, add cinnamon because it just brings out the flavor in the pie. Along with that, I'm putting a little bit of dry ginger powder. If you like, you can add a little bit of nutmeg as well. So now that my apple filling is looking beautiful, it's lovely caramelized and there's very little syrup. It's like a lovely syrupy consistency, as you can see. Time to add in a little thickening agent. You want that because it's going to bake as well. So very little of the corn flour is what I add. Time to add in my go-to nut always for most of the desserts. This is the California walnuts. Gonna add a lot of crunch element. इसमें बहुत crunch आ जाता है. I love it, because apple के साथ साथ वो जो walnuts की bite आती है ना, it's really good. And health factor तो है ही because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So really important and very good for a healthy heart. So let's be generous with our California walnuts and बहुत सारा crunch आ जाता है. At this stage, I'm going to switch off the gas and my filling is ready and it's already looking beautiful. Time to give it a taste. I love how the apples, the little tart coming in from the Granny Smith apples and the sweetness from the Redlicious and the crunch factor coming in from the walnuts. So I've cooked it just enough because it's going to cook in the pie. You don't want it to be very mushy. I don't like that. So it's perfect. Now we'll start rolling with our pie. Yeah. So now my dough that is chilled, I'm going to put in little flour on the surface. I'm using a silicone mat. This is a Silpat. And then I'm just going to add some flour. So I want to roll that. Keep turning it over. So keep checking if it's sticking down, then you just need to add a little bit of flour. And same here, even this part, as you see, it's cracking. If I just press it with my fingers, it's just gonna join back, That's the beauty about this pastry. It's the most forgiving one. Okay, now I'm just going to take a little bit more flour here and roll over my dough just like that, and then bring my mold. Make sure I have lined it with some flour so that my pie doesn't stick, and then very gently leave that on there. Okay, so there you go. Make sure in the corners you're really going well, just like this, because you don't want that gap. Just gonna cut the excess out. On the sides. So just lift it up and with your finger, just try to create that. And then now, as you see, our pie is even looking from all sides. So time to put in your apple pie filling into the base, and we're going to bake that. Did you know that one large apple actually takes care of 20% of your dietary fiber? It is no sodium, no cholesterol, no fat. So it's like they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So yeah, I love a generous filling of the apple because आप जानते हैं इसके जो nutrient value इतनी है, and not to forget हमने इसमें बहुत सारा walnuts डाला है, omega-3 fatty acids also. So it's okay to have a slice of pie, sometimes, because you are putting in so much health and nutrition into it. इसके ऊपर अब हम डालेंगे हमारा crumble का layer. So be very generous with your pie filling. And now I'm just going to add my crumble over, and we're going to bake this at 150 to 160 degrees. It's going to take a good 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven. You need a convection oven to bake completely. handful of more cranberries, as they say, you know, this is an amazing superfood, and it really brings out my dish. I love that little tart and sweetness that comes along with it, you know, and you know, it's really one of those anti-inflammatory sweetened fruits which is really good for your health, and at this point it's making my pie look really gorgeous, so I'm really super excited, you know, and that's ready to bake. So guys, now that my pie has baked, cooled, and I'm just going to take a slice. As they say, why shy away from a slice of pie? But for many such more recipes, you need to follow me and Taste of America IN and keep watching such amazing recipes. Have a tasty day.